BBQPitBoys.com. Bobby Fame here. And when we're thinking nachos, this is our favorite nacho dish. All right, you start out with some fresh, cleaned, washed chicken wings. You coat it with your favorite hot sauce, right? And you put some Mexican blend on there, like paprika, oregano, chili, onion. You know what? Your favorite Mexican seasoning. Coat it well. Put them on a flat pan. Cook them indirect on your grill. Oh, and then you want to cut up your toppings, like green onions, cilantro, some diced tomatoes, whatever you want for your nachos. And here we've got some corn chips, and we're going to smash them up. Whoa. Now, the wings are done, right? So on top of the wings, just like that, we're going to layer on some cheese, some Monterey Jack, cheddar, Asadero, queso fresco, your favorite cheese. And then we're going to add those corn chips. It's going to freshen up those corn chips. They'll get nice and crisp. And boy, I'll tell you what, this is what you got. Cheese is melted. Corn chips are freshened up. Take a look at that.
Yep.
Now, this is the best part. Put your favorite condiments on, right? How about some black olives? Pickled jalapenos, you gotta have them, right? How about some black bean? Ooh, yeah. All right. I'm telling you, take this where you want. We got some green onion. We got some cilantro going on there. Whoa, Lord have mercy. We got some white onion. You like the white onion? The fresh, diced, or chopped tomatoes. Man, Lord have mercy. And how about some squeeze of lime? Perfect. Now, this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, and we're not apologizing. Dab it with some avocado, some sour cream. Oh. So remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. And while you're there, sign up your own BBQ Pit Boys chapter. We'd be proud to have you.